4-story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Spark. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, cruise control, power outlet. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.